Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to marginal costing of your sixth semester. So this is the previous exam question which is asked in the September October 2020. I thought it would be better to let us see this. Okay, September October 2000 question paper. See, sometimes he will make you confused with the words in the question. This is that type of question, so that is why I'm making this. Though it is a short question, I'm making a video for it. From the following information, find out or find the minimum number of units required to be sold so that no cash loss is incurred. There should not be any cash loss. Okay, and here itself the main thing arises, minimum number of units. So he is asking you to find out the number of units to be sold, asking the question in units. So contribution per unit is required, contribution per unit is required to solve this. And one more thing, that what is asking, that no cash loss. Okay, no cash loss should be incurred. So what is this no cash loss point? What is main question is all about this thing, cash loss. There should not be any cash loss, no cash loss, no profit. Sometimes he will not ask you directly, he is asking the other way. Okay, no profit, no loss is the BEP, fixed cost by PV ratio in rupees, whereas he is asking you to find out in units. So in units, fixed cost divided by contribution per unit we need to take to get the answer in units. So this is a short question one. So he is asking you to find out BEP in units, that to no cash loss. Here arises the main funda in this question. Selling price per unit, where selling price per unit he gave per unit, he gave selling price rupees 20, variable cost per unit, variable cost per unit rupees 10, administration expenses 10,000 rupees, depreciation 6,000. Administration expenses are fixed expenses or fixed cost, you can say. Depreciation also fixed cost. Okay, to find out BEP, fixed cost divided by contribution per unit, you will get the answer. But he is asking no cash loss. Depreciation is non cash expenditure, non cash expenditure. So this depreciation you don't consider while doing the calculation of BEP of no cash loss, because depreciation is fixed cost but it is non-cash expenditure. He is asking you to find out cash BEP. What is asking? Cash BEP. So fixed cost except non-cash expenditure of depreciation we need to take. So first working note I'll do for finding out contribution per unit. So Working note 1, contribution per unit, contribution per unit, sales minus variable cost, sales minus variable cost, selling price is given 20, variable cost given 10. So it will be contribution rupees 10 per unit. So first thing I have got under working note 1 contribution per unit. After doing that, then I'll calculate BEP of cash BEP in units. Okay, so let us see that one. Calculation of, please adjust with the handwriting. Calculation of no cash loss point. No cash loss point, or you can say it as cash BEP sales in units we are finding out. In units he has asked, so number of units required he asked. Okay, so that is why we are doing like this. No cash loss point or cash BEP units in. Okay, so here we need to consider cash fixed cost, fixed cost, cash fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So in the question given, what is cash fixed cost? Only administration expenses rupees 10,000. Depreciation is non-cash expenditure, so we will not consider. And contribution per unit we got 10 rupees. So we will put those things in the formula, then we will get the answer. So here cash fixed cost is rupees, how much? Fixed cost administration 10,000. So 10,000 units divided by rupees 10 per unit. This is administration expenses only. Please remember, admin expenses. So units you will get 1010 get cancels. 1000 units it is appearing little bit slow. 1000 units. Okay, this will be your answer. Number of units required to be sold. Number of units required to be sold. Here ends your 5 marks क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. इफ देर इज एनी गैप बिटवीन माई ऑडियो एंड the video, please adjust with it. App is creating little bit problem. Okay, this is a short video for you all. Stay connected, share it with your friends, क्योंकि sharing is caring. जय हिंद.